I woke up early again. The morning felt calm and quiet. I got out of bed slowly. This time, I did not feel tired. I made a cup of tea and stood by the window. The street outside was waking up. Everything looked the same. But I felt different. Something inside me was softer. People walked quickly. Cars moved past one another. Everyone looked busy. Everyone had somewhere to go. I watched them quietly, just like before. Then I saw a woman standing near the entrance downstairs. She looked a little lost. She looked around slowly. For a moment, no one stopped. Everyone just rushed past her. I stood there, thinking. Then, I did something small. I walked downstairs and stepped outside. I smiled at her and said, "Hello." She smiled back. Her face became softer. "Thank you," she said quietly. We only spoke for a moment. Just a few simple words. But something felt different. The world did not feel so far away. I was still in the same place. But I was not alone. And somehow, that was enough. Maybe the day is still the same. Maybe everything is still busy. But one small hello can change how we feel. Sometimes, a small connection can mean everything. If you enjoyed this story, please like, comment, and subscribe.